Hi students, in this class we are going to discuss a few more examples on thermodynamics. Let's see. An ideal gas moves through cyclic process. Delta U is equal to complete cycle, delta U is equal to 0, Q is equal to total work done. He has given Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Add all the Q. So 600 minus 400, 200, 200 minus 300, minus 100, minus 100 plus 200, 100. So Q is equal to 100 and he is given work done W1, W2, W3 and he is asking for W4. Add all the works. 300 minus 200, 100, 100 minus 150 is equal to 100 minus 150 minus 50 plus W4. So from here you can get the W4 value. Okay. Next. So let's see this question. This is very important question. And 6 moles of an ideal gas N is equal to 6 and performs a cyclic process as shown in the figure. TA temperatures are given, TA, TB, TC and TD. These temperatures are given. Find the work done per cycle. Work done per cycle is nothing but net work done, total work done in the entire loop. So now you see the P versus temperature graph, pressure versus temperature. So PV is equal to nRT. It is from starting from origin, so volume is constant. So in work done in AB and work done in CD, it is equal to 0. Why? Net change in volume is equal to 0, because not change in volume is equal to 0. Isochoric process, that is isochoric process, because PV is equal to nRT, it's starting from origin. So let's see work done at BC. So work done BC is isobaric process, P into delta V can also written as nR into delta T. So we know final temperature is Tc, so N into R into Tc minus Tb, Tc minus, because arrow symbol, Tc 2200 minus Tb, Tb is equal to 800. So we will get 1400 into N into R. This is work done is positive because volume is increasing. Let's go to the other part. Work done in dA. So work done in dA is equal to P into delta V. It is also nR into delta T. So N is 6, R value and delta T, TA minus TD. So TA minus TD, so TA is 600 and 1200, it is equal to minus 600. So subtract the value work done in dA. So total work done we are going to get so WBC plus WDA, so plus WBAB plus WBC. If we add all the works, we will get net work done. So try to simplify with the R value, and we are proceeding to the next question. 1 mole of monoatomic gas is Cv is equal to 3R by 2 is taken through, because I memorize in this way. See, and taken through a reversible cycle from ABC. So ABC it is going, the process BC is adiabatic, so this process BC is adiabatic, and if it is adiabatic work done per cycle is temperatures given, TA, TB and TC are given. So work done in AB is equal to 0 because it is isochoric process. Work done in BAC, so CA actually, work done in CA is equal to P into delta V, which is also nothing but nR into delta T. So nR delta T is delta T, TA minus TC. So TA is equal to 300 minus TC is equal to 450. So minus 150 into R. So this is one value. Work done in BC. So work done in BC, this is adiabatic process. It is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by 1 gamma minus 1. So this is the formula for adiabatic process. So PV is nothing but nR into T1 minus T2 by gamma minus 1. What is the gamma value? So CV we know, Cp is equal to 5R by 2. So gamma is equal to 5 by 3. So gamma is equal to 5 by 3, and you know temperature Tc minus Tb here. So substitute the values of Tc, nR into Tc. Tc is nothing but 450 minus Tb is 600 by gamma is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. So this is the work done in the process BC. So add these two, work done in work done in BC plus work done in CA plus work done in AB is nothing but net work done. We are going to the next question. So thermodynamic process, in a thermodynamic process system undergoes cyclic process A, B, C, D, A. So in this case, so the work done by the system is, so here two parts are there, first and second. So in the first one, okay, first and second one. So in the first one, if you see the volume is increasing, which is dominating, increasing volume is dominating. So in the first one, work done will be positive, and the second one, work done will be negative because volume is reducing. So first area, find the area under the each triangle. So area under each triangle, half into breadth into height. So half into breadth is nothing but V0 into h, width is nothing but V0. So P0 into V0. So P0 into V0, work done by the system. So if you want to solve in the other way also, you can solve. You can solve in like, listen properly. If you solve, take upper one, find the area under the curve and subtract this part because volume is reducing, add this part, volume is increasing, subtract this part. So if you do everything, okay, I will simplify. Work done in BC, you will end up with the same expressions. Work done in BC is equal to, so what is the work done in BC? P minus 3 P0 into change in volume is V0. Sorry, yeah, because its volume is reducing, 3 P0 into V0. Work done in AD, work done in from CD, work done in CD is equal to, so it is like a two parts, half BH, so half into 2 P0 breadth into height. Breadth is nothing but 2 P0 into width is V0 plus P0 into V0. So it is equal to 2 P0. V0 is the work done from C to D. And what is the work done from A to B? Work done from A to B is nothing but this is also positive work. Work done from CD also positive work because we got the sign positive. Work done from AB is equal to half P0. So what is the height? 2 P0 V0 plus width is P0 into V0. So it is equal to 2 P0 V0 is the, what is the what is this? Work done in AB. Work done from DA, work done in DA is equal to P into V2 minus V1, V0 minus 2 V0, it is equal to minus P0 V0. If you add everything, we are going to get 0 value. So minus P0 V0 plus 2 V0, P0 V0 remains 3 P0 V0. So net work done is equal to 0. So if you simplify, if you see the other graph, like area under the curve for the first fellow, area under the curve is equal to minus, because it's dominating, volume is decreasing, minus P0 into width is V0 because area under the curve. So and for the bottom one, so volume is increasing, so work done will be plus half into P0 into V0, add these two, net work done becomes 0. So let's go to the other question. And a thermodynamic process is shown in the figure. In the process AB, it's given heat is added. So Q is added, AB is equal to plus 500, and in the process BD, and 150 joule added in the BD. So Q BD is equal to 150 joules. So change in internal energy of the process ABD. So change in internal energy, Q is equal to W plus delta U. So Q added is equal to 650. 650 is equal to work done, total work done in this process, work done is equal to 0 because isochoric process, and then BD is equal to 6 P0, 6 into 10 power 4 into volume within 4 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the work done plus delta U. So if you simplify this, you are going to get the change in internal energy. Simple question. Let's see one more question. So a 5 grams of gas carried through a cycle ABCDA, the piston cylinder assembly as shown in the figure. So if the portion from A to B given heat, so QAB is given how much 5.5 kilocalories heat flows into into the gas, and the temperature of gas at A, so gas at A is nothing but 427 degrees Celsius. Okay, at B, okay, now he is asking us to find CV of the gases. So to get the CV of the gas, it's as simple as that. Only take from process A to B. Okay, if you take from process A to B, then it will be Q is equal to delta U plus W. Get the work Q, how much is added? See the units. Units are very important. 5.5 calories is equal to delta U is nothing but NCV into delta T. So number of moles you need to find. So NCV into delta T plus work done. So work done from the graph we can get. Okay, take the units properly and get the value of CV. So delta T, N into delta T, CV is okay. PV is equal to NR into delta T. So delta N into delta T is nothing but, so P1, so we can substitute here PA, here we know the values PA and VA we know, here PB and VB we know. So to get N into delta T, PB VB minus PA VA by what is the value? R. If we substitute this instead of N into delta T, you can get the value and simplify this one, you will get. So I am writing again, 5.5 kilocalories is equal to N into, N is not there now, CV into, so PB VB minus PA VA by R plus W. Work done is nothing but area under the curve for AB process. From there we can get the CV value. Okay, so this is one of the important models. Last two models are, two questions are very important, these two questions are. So I could not find many more questions, and listen to these parts carefully. A cyclic process performed in 1 mole of an ideal gas. So cyclic process, in a cyclic process W is equal to Q. A total 1000 joules of heat is withdrawn. So Q is equal to minus 1000 joules. Withdrawn amount of heat is removed. Complete cycle. Find the work done by the gas during the process BC. So he is asking from the process BC. Okay. Now what is the work done? Let's write work done in. So this is unknown part. So temperature versus volume graph is given. To get area under the curve also not possible. So if you see carefully, WBC, so WAB plus WBC plus WCA is equal to minus 1000, because it is nothing but Q added. Minus 1000 WAB we can calculate. This is what kind of process? PV is equal to nRT. So PV is equal to nRT. What is the constant here? So voltage, temperature versus pressure, temperature versus volume graph is straight line. So pressure is constant. So pressure is constant. So work done is equal to P into delta V plus work done in CA. Work done BC, just write that. Work done in CA. CA is equal to, it's a constant volume, 0. It is equal to minus 1000. So P into delta V, I can write it as NR into delta T plus WBC is equal to minus 1000. So WBC is equal to, now he has given okay, number of cylinder process 1 mole of an ideal gas. So NR, so minus 1000 minus N into 1 R into delta T into 100. So if we substitute, you will get the values of work done in B. Okay, work done in BC process. So many questions can be asked in like this model. So one last question in this regard. An ideal gas is taken through A to B, B to C, A to B and B to C and C to A as shown in the figure. The net heat supplied of the gas is 5 joules. So Q is equal to 5 joules, nothing but W. Heat supplied is nothing but plus 5, and work done is also plus 5 joules. Work done by the process CA. So CA also an unknown process. Here volume versus, pressure versus volume is given. So work done by the process Ca is. So here P is given. This kind of question I solved in one of the videos and I kept. So it is equal to, first we should get the value of P. How to get the value of P? So net work done. So 10 minus, so 10 into 5 to 10 minus, okay, 1 second, I assume the P here. So net work done is equal to half into 10 minus P into 1. So this one I already solved in one of the videos. Okay, you try to use this. I thought it is a different model, but the model which is given here, it is very important. Many questions can be asked in this regard, like they will give entire work, but for such a condition we cannot calculate from the graph. We should use this procedure. So total work done, heat, so from this we have to calculate. So thank you very much.